What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into Rival, Cadmium, and Harley Bird with Seasons. Get over, show all of the artists some love. The links are all going to be inside the description. Let's go.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life.
You already knew it was going to get a beat. You seen the pad over there. We were totally waiting for it. It sounds like it's going to get real big. But some damn
you came into my
sad
life,
lyrics.
just like
painful.
Another season.
Longing.
Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Yeah!
The seasons turn and change just like your mind.
Hey, this got that summer love vibes written all over it. That's what this made me think of. So many times where you fall and you have those brief, fleeting romances that stick around with you, and you always wondered what happened to that person. You always wonder where they're at, like what could have been. That kind of feeling.
Like the sun gives into
Sometimes
the
they come back
to the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long,
Came and
just
went.
a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Just like another season.
Yeah, that's gonna be listened to 1,000,000 times by yours truly. I love songs where they get you in the fields and then they take you to outer space. Just, you already know. Get over as show Rival, Cadmium, and Harley Bird. All the love in the world. The links inside of the description or popping up on the screen right here. There's definitely some people that can relate to that one out there. The ones that got away. The ones that you're hoping come back. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you at all. Tell the next one about the combustible. You guys be happy out there, saber. Love you to the moon and back. Peace.